Today's video from Sam4S Help. We're taking a look at the training mode functionality on the ER900 series of registers. So if you're familiar with my videos, I tend to use the 940 model, which is the model shown here, but the training mode functionality works the same across the range. So training mode is really useful feature on a register like this. You've invested a lot of money in like quite an advanced machine that's got a lot of capacity and a lot of capability, but it's only going to be a benefit to you if you and your staff know how to use it. So there's a training mode option on the machine to get you and your staff used to how the register works, what you can do on it without affecting the totals, because the last thing you want is a load of training mode sales to randomly appear on your end of day or end of month financial reports. So there's a process of entering the training mode and then a process of exiting the training mode. It's not via the key, there's no key lock to go in the training mode. It's basically you type in a code. You can password protect the training mode as well, which I'm going to show you how to set a password for it as well, which I'd recommend just to avoid anyone going into the training mode themselves, and basically what they would be doing on the till wouldn't be easy to trace. So first things first, to get into the training mode you need to turn the key round to the X position. So you'll need a type of manager key, either the C key, the P key, the Z key or the X key. They'll all go to X mode. So you're in the manager mode and then you type in 199, you press subtotal, you put in the passcode to get into the training mode. Mine's just a straightforward 4 ones, and then the X time or quantity time button here. To confirm that you're in the training mode, you get a little printout that says training mode begin, so there's no doubt about what's going on. That also appears on the journal roll here if you've got a twin roll version of the machine, and then you can turn the key back to reg, and then you can basically now train on the machine. So you can train yourself and train your staff. You will have been given an instruction manual or a quick start guide by your dealer, so you can check that out and then go through all the different processes, logging in, processing sales transactions, working out how to do things like cancel sale. Okay, that's X mode only. So yeah, for example, that sort of thing is ideal. I must have manager protected that button, the cancel sale button, so you can only use that in the X mode on my version of the machine. That's a setting that I've put on this machine. What else do? You can basically do anything on the machine depending on how it's set up. So you can show people how to do refunds, get a real handle for how the machine works. You may not want the receipt printing out all the time, especially if you're in training mode, so you can turn that off. Everything is recorded on the journal roll. You can do reports as well, so you can go to the X mode and run a PLU report, for example. This just so you're getting to know how the machine works more than anything. I won't show you everything you can do on the machine, because obviously you'll have an instruction manual, and also we've got videos showing you how to do pretty much everything you'd ever want to do on there. So the key point of this video will show you how to get into the training mode, how it works. Basically it just works like a normal till, and then how to exit. So when you're done with training the new staff member, yourself or everyone, if you've just got the machine, then to exit the training mode you turn the key back to X, type in 199, press subtotal, and then 0 followed by X time. You get a little printout again confirming training mode end, and then you can turn the key back to the register, ready to use the till with live transactions. Okay, I hope that video has been helpful. If you've just got a 900 series machine, I would recommend subscribing to our channel, checking out the videos, because we've got loads of videos showing you how to not only use the machine but also how to edit the programming. And you can, for more information, you can also visit sam4shelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.